at Step Walk Hub. It's a very early morning. The feeding time. We are not yet done with our construction, but we've improvised gates. But the babies are okay. Their mamas are okay. This one got like 10. See, they're feeding well. This one got 8 kids. Hey, what's he doing? Let me come here. 001. See how the babies are clean. They are well. We'll be installing nipples back here. Automatic drinking nipples. But in the meantime, they're drinking from here. It's quite dirty here. We've not done cleaning. But in a few, we shall be doing it. Number 2, the small area has been. You see the gates? We've improvised there. We've eaten some space for these pigs, so that. But I purposely did that so that when I come with the metallic gates, the iron gates, even with the pigs being here, shall be able to install the gates behind there. You see behind the woods there. I'll be having the gates. And then, see, now I've done with the demolition. Here. We are from this side. Demolished these. We'll be coming this way. We have served mothers. All the reason I'm constructing for this one are all served. You see this one. Hey mama, this is 0. Let me see. This is 05. That is 04. That is 06. These ones are waiting to be served. These ones are waiting to be taken to Farmer's Choice. These are baconers. Those are baconers. You have some extra one. And here, another mother waiting to be served. So, we shall be constructing coming this way. Step by step. Now we shall be constructing here 3 sheds or barns similar to these. But this one will be a hole. By the time you're done with everything here, I'm hoping to have a very smart thing here. You can see. Now I've created this space such that when I come with the iron gates, they're being made. We just stretch them here without interfering with the pigs. Hey, hello. The pigs will just be feeding kikawaida. Now, today is on. Let me see this. Today is on Wednesday, 24th of March, 2021. It's a very fine morning. Sorry, what happened? Hey, don't be harsh to your kids, mama pig. The time is 7:32 in the morning. We are doing feeding. We haven't yet haven't achieved what I'm looking for in these sheds. I'm looking for smartness, cleanliness. But you see, the pigs are better. They are cleaner now. They're a bit clean than they used to. You can see my office here. Got some fruits. Here's some sawdust. Here's a corridor. This corridor will move all the way to that point, to that end. Yeah, so yeah, that's what we are doing at Step Walk Hub. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Stepork Hub, capital STEPORK HUB, Stepork Hub. Subscribe, hit the notification button. Yes, Mama got 10, Mama got 8, and Mama got 6, but they all had like 10. Something messed up with the two babies, but you see now here nothing will interfere with the babies. I think some wild dog snatched the rest of the two baby pigs here. Hey, hi, hey, what you doing? Hello. I almost forgot my tea somewhere there. Let me get it. Let me get there. Today I'll be done with this demolition. Now here is where, in the meantime, we're collecting waters. I'll be opening the water from up there. Let me catch my tea up and hey, don't be harsh. Don't be harsh, Mama Pig. Bye. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm out for now. Have a good day. Bye.